Hello everyone and welcome to UPS Education. We are back with another video for you. In this video, we will show you how you can fill up the application form of BM Institute of Mental Health for Professional Diploma in Clinical Psychology as well as Postgraduate Diploma in Rehabilitation Psychology. So let's get started. First of all, to download the application form, we'll visit www.upseducation.in. We will click the Updates tab. On this page, you can find all the information regarding the latest admissions and psychology courses. We will visit our article, which is this one, PDCP and PGDRP admission open at BM Institute of Mental Health. We'll click this one. On this article, you can find all the information regarding BM Institute and their courses of Professional Diploma in Clinical Psychology as well as Postgraduate Diploma in Rehabilitation Psychology, like the eligibility criteria, the number of seats and fee structure. Now, to apply for the same, we will visit these links to download the application form. This one is for the Clinical Psychology and this one is for the Rehabilitation Psychology. Now I have already made a printout of the same. So we'll start with the application form here. On this section, you need to fill up the name of the course that you are applying for, like Professional Diploma in Clinical Psychology. You can write the full name as well. Your first name, I'll say UPS. Surname, I'll say Education. All the information which you will be filling in this application form should be matched with your recent qualifications as well. Your father's name, I'll write UPS father. You need to fill up your father's name here, and date of birth, I'll say 15/4/2000. Gender, marital status, your nationality, your category, if you belong to general, OBC, SC, ST, PWD or EWS category. I have selected general here. Here you need to fill up your complete postal address. I'll say 29 number building, Paschim Vihar, extension, which is our address, near Paschim Vihar East Metro Station. Here you need to fill up your PIN code, your phone number and your email ID. .com. Now, if your permanent address is the same, you can write same as other. Okay. Now, you need to submit the application fee by a bank transfer. All the details regarding that is mentioned here, and the application fee is 200 rupees. Now, after a successful transaction, you need to fill up the successful transaction ID here. Transaction ID. Okay, and you need to fill up the date of today, which is 26th of May 2023. On this section, you need to attach a photograph of yours, which should be the latest one. Okay, now this part is completed. We'll move forward with the next. Now, in the details of qualification section, you need to fill up all your details, like if you have completed your bachelor's, your master's, MPhil, PhD, You can fill as many as you want. Okay, the eligibility criteria I should make you remember that the eligibility criteria to apply for the clinical psychology diploma is MA/MSc degree in psychology, like counseling psychology, clinical psychology or applied psychology. Yeah, and you need to score at least 55% marks in aggregate if you want to apply for this course. And if you are a SC, ST or OBC candidate, then you need to score at least 50% marks. Now we'll move forward with the application form. You need to fill up the name of your college, both of them. The passing year, I'll say 2020, and for bachelor's I'm filling 2018. Now university, I'll say DU. You need to select your university only. You need to fill up that. You need to fill up the name of the university, your class division, subject taken, aggregate percentage and number of attempts. All these information should be according to your educational background only. Yeah. And now we'll proceed with the next section, which is languages. If you know English, if you can speak, read and write English, you need to select all these. If you can speak, read and write Hindi, you need to select all these. If you know Gujarati as well, then you need to select that. And if you know some other languages as well, then you need to write the name of that language and you can select these. Okay. And now it is an important part. On this section, you need to fill up why do you want to join this training program. Here, you need to specify your professional as well as your personal goals for the program. Like you want to do this, you want to do that, or you are interested in this subject from this, and you have your interest in that subject from this. Yeah. So you need to fill up this accordingly. And the application procedure is now completed. Also, you should remember that you need to attach some of the documents with this application form. See, this application form is a physical form. You need to send your application by post or you can submit it physically only. Yeah. So you need to attach these documents with your application form, like your master's degree, your 10th passing certificate or school leaving certificate, proof of valid OBC, SC, PWD, EWS category certificate if you are selecting these categories only, certificate of your higher professional qualification, certificate of academic achievements, experiences and other, and self-attached copy of Aadhaar card. This is a necessary one. And I have already told you about the application fee that you have to fill the application fee. Like you have to pay the application fee by these banking details, and you need to mention your transaction ID right here as well. Now a photocopy of the transaction must be attached with the application form. So all of these should be attached with the application form. Now you will write down the date of today, which is 6th May 2023. The place, I'll say New Delhi, and signature of the candidate. You need to sign right here as well. Okay. Now the application form is completed. If you have any further queries, you can mention them in the comment box. We will be happy to reply you all. And so that was it. Thank you for watching this video. We hope it was helpful for you, and keep following UPS Education for the latest information about psychology. And thank you so much.